Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Today is lesson number 14 at the seaside. Remember your previous lesson? Yes, we have learned about the sea or a beach. Today's lesson is very interesting. You will learn about wild and tame animals. Let's look at the objectives. By the end of the lesson, students would be able to know about the terms wild and tame. Remember, we learned that we see animals on the beach like horses and camels. Sometimes we also see a monkey with his owner who plays some tricks to make people happy. Can you see these animals? And can you name these animals? Yes, it's an elephant. There is a giraffe and a lion and a zebra. Can you keep these animals at your home? Good. No, you cannot keep these huge animals at your home. The question is, if you cannot keep them at your home, then where do they live? They live in the forest and in wilds. We cannot keep them at our homes. They are wild animals. Whereas the animals that can be kept at homes with us are called as tame animals. Look, you can keep a cat at your home. Most of you have puppies at your home. I have a parrot at my home. And the monkey charmer keeps the monkey at the homes. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. So, from the video, list out the names of some wild animals and tame animals. Send your work at fsabine06@gmail.com or WhatsApp at 0302 9861 I will be waiting for your lessons. Till then, bye-bye.